open up your app store. Okay, and in the app store you have to search for Xcode, this one which says Xcode. Okay, I have already installed it. You will see the download button. Just click on that download button in order to install the Xcode in your new MacBook. So install the Xcode first. When you install the Xcode first, then for the Xcode, to configure the Xcode command line tools after installing the Xcode, okay, make sure that first you install Xcode. As I told you, when you install the Xcode, then you will see this open button, which means that you have successfully installed the Xcode. Okay, once you install the Xcode, you have to copy this command, and then in your terminal you have to run this command. So just paste that command and it will press enter. Okay, it will ask for your password, your MacBook password. So just type your MacBook password and press enter. You have to run this second one, which is sudo xcode. Okay, run first launch. Copy this second command and run this as well in the terminal. After running these two commands, the next thing is to run this command, which is to accept the xcodebuild license. So just copy this command, open up the terminal, and inside the terminal you can paste that command and press enter. And you have to press the space button for more. So here in the terminal, press your space button on the keyboard, on your MacBook keyboard, just to read this whole agreement. Okay, press space button. Okay, just keep pressing the space button on your keyboard until you reach here. So by typing agree, you will agree to that. So just type agree and press enter. So it is done successfully. We agree to the Xcode license, and once you do that, next thing is here we have to also now install the Cocoapods. So in order to install the Cocoapods, you have to type this command in the terminal. Okay, and that command is sudo gem install Cocoapods. So COCOAPODS. Okay, just type this exact command, which is sudo gem install Cocoapods, and then press enter. So it is going to install now the Cocoapods. It will take some time, so you have to be patient and wait for it. Now close this terminal and open up the terminal again. Then write this command xcode-select space -- install. Press enter. And you will see this pop up. You have to click on install. Then you have to read this and then click agree. Then continue. So it has been installed successfully. And open up your browser and simply search for Homebrew. We are going to install the Homebrew in our MacBook. Now you can see install Homebrew, this command. Just copy this, click here, open up a brand new terminal, paste that command and press enter. And it asks for your password. So type your password and press enter. So press enter to continue. So let's wait for it. It is installing the Homebrew, which will hopefully fix our Cocoapods error, because we will now install the Cocoapods using the Homebrew terminal command successfully in our MacBook. Now the next thing that we need to do is, first let's close the terminal, open up a new terminal now, and then run this command, which is brew cleanup -d-v. Then we are going to install the Cocoapods using brew, which is Homebrew. Okay, so write this command, which is brew install Cocoapods. Press enter. So we are installing the Cocoapods using the brew, or you can say using the Homebrew. So let's wait for it. It will take some time. Now it will fix our error that is earlier which we were getting using the sudo gem install Cocoapods. Okay, using the Homebrew brew command, we can install it successfully without any error. Now most probably you will see this, the brew link step did not complete successfully. So if you see that, then you have to run this command, which is brew link -- overwrite Cocoapods. Run that command and let's wait for it. We can simply run this command, which is brew link overwrite Cocoapods. Run this command. See, we get no error now this time. Close the terminal.